You probably think that your skincare spending is average, maybe even low. But what if I told you, statistically, you're likely spending more than your friends, possibly way more? I thought I was the frugal one too, until I added it up. It turns out I've been quietly funneling thousands into tiny jars of hope, and so have a lot of women. This isn't about skincare anymore. This is a $5,000 a year problem hiding in plain sight.
Amazon haul skincare edition.
New year, new skincare. Now, I know you're not supposed to change your skincare in one go, but as soon as I get on the Sephora website, I cannot contain myself. So I have got a whole new box full.
This is what happens when I go to a Korean beauty store. I just bought so much Korean skincare. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it.
I know for a fact that you guys love an unboxing, so this is my haul from Style Banner, and this box is full to the brim. So would you like to?
I think you should treat yourself. I know you were thinking about it, and you were like, I don't know. Do it. Do it. Who's gonna stop you? Me? No. You? No.
Asian market skincare haul.
So let's talk about why you're spending more than your friends and how the industry has designed it that way. Most women think their skincare routine is normal, nothing extravagant, nothing dramatic, just the basics, a cleanser, serum, SPF, maybe a retinol if they're feeling fancy. But here's the thing, everyone thinks they're low maintenance, and everyone is wrong. Because once you actually count it, the top-ups, the panic repurchases, the little treats, the £45 eye cream that was on sale, the numbers get dark. In the UK, 1 in 5 millennial women is spending more than £400 per month on skincare, facials, injectables, and maintenance. And still saying, with a completely straight face, maybe because they can't move it, oh, I just use a bit of moisturiser, nothing special. We're blowing through money. But because it's quiet, slow, and socially acceptable, we never think it's us. We think that the real spenders are the influencers, the Botox girl, the selfie maximalist. But what if it's you? What if you're the friend spending more than everybody else? What if your £300 minimalist routine isn't minimalist at all? It's just what marketing told you was basic. We've been trained to underestimate our own spending and overestimate everyone else's glow and stay silent about the whole thing. This isn't just a money issue. It's a psychological setup built on filtered faces, fake modesty, and the quiet pressure to keep up without admitting we're trying. I'm not here to shame you. I'm here to say the thing no one else will say out loud, because I thought I was frugal too. I thought I was just doing the basics until I checked my bank statements and realised I'm the one outspending my friends. I'm the one who's quietly funding the beauty industry's yacht budget. Let's talk about how you got here, what is costing you, and why the industry needs you confused. You're not overspending because you're irresponsible. You're overspending because the system is designed to make you feel behind and buy your way out of it. If you're watching this thinking, this doesn't apply to me, I barely buy anything, sit down, because here's what women are actually spending. In the UK, most women say they spend around £20 per month. Cute. The real average is £1,200 a year, which works out at 100 times per month. That's 5 times more than what you think. And millennial women spend over £400 a month. That's £4,800 per year on maintenance. In the US, on average, Gen Z spend $2,048 per year, and millennials spend $2,670 per year, with high spenders forking out over $9,000. Let that sink in. You could be spending more on your face than on your rent, more than your savings, more than your food. And the worst part? You probably don't even know you're doing it. Beauty spending isn't about one big purchase. It's tiny cuts. £35 serum here, a £60 refill there, a £90 facial because it's been a week, and then 50 quid on that new TikTok miracle. It's just a few things until it's £400 a month. And here's where it gets sneaky. You don't just spend more than your friends. You think they're spending less because everybody's pretending. Your friend will say she just uses CeraVe. Your colleague claims that she doesn't really wear makeup. That girl on Instagram swears her glow is just water and sleep. and you believe it. So when you buy another product, you tell yourself, everyone else is being good. I'm just catching up. I'm probably overdoing it compared to them. But here's the twist. You're not overspending because you're extravagant. You're overspending because everyone else is hiding their routine. And you're comparing your receipts to their silence. We are in a beauty cold war. Everyone is spending, no one is talking. And the beauty industry is thriving on this secrecy. You're comparing your real skin to their PR shelves, their dermatologist, their retouch selfies, their I barely try branding. It's not a fair comparison. It's receipts versus silence, reality versus filters, your insecurity versus their aesthetic. And let's be brutally honest, most of us don't buy skincare because we've run out. We buy it because of how we feel. Sad? Spend. Anxious? Spend. Jealous? Spend. You're not buying hydration, you're buying hope. Hope that this serum is the one. Hope it'll erase the stress, the dullness, the insecurity. That £90 serum didn't do anything, but it felt like control. It felt like you were doing something to fix yourself. And brands know this. They don't sell results, they sell emotion. Radiance, glow, age-defying. What they don't say is this will do 2% of what the packaging implies. Luxury skincare is often just a status symbol. £100 flex in a frosted bottle. A way to say, I invest in myself. Even when it's not working and you're drained. This isn't irrational, it's emotional hijacking. And I'm not telling you to splash water on your face and call it a day. I love skincare and pampering myself. But I'm telling you to wake up. So here's your challenge. Audit the last 6 to 12 months of spending. Products, facials, supplements, tools. Ask yourself, did I buy this because it works or because I felt like it was a solution? Ask your friends, how much do you think that we actually spend on skincare? Watch the silence. Because once you say it out loud, oh, I spent £2,000 last year on things that didn't even change my skin. Oh, I'm not low maintenance. I'm just quiet about my spending. It loses its power. The real glow up is when you stop glowing for them. When you stop being the perfect customer with the perfect anxiety and the perfect desire to fix yourself. When you look at a £120 brightening serum and think, actually, I'd rather have electricity this month. That's a spiritual growth that the beauty industry can't monetize. You've spent enough trying to look like her. Here's your permission to stop. Because the truth is, even she doesn't look like that. Spend less, question more, and glow anyway.